should be. Now you know what you can do. Don't update Python, sir. Never, never try to do it. This one is saved, right? Yeah. It is, sir. It is. Definitely it is. It should be loud. Don't make it loud, sir. Pew pew. Relax. Make it loud and clear. Dun, 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 dun. Don't make it too loud, sir. Okay. Now I think we need to try to start this one. Like, input. No, like, lists. Example list. Example list. Input. No, let's make it not with the input, just a fixed one. Non-filtered list. One, two, A, B. Okay. Unfiltered list two. List two. Should be like that. I like that. I think like that. It's more readable. More readable, sir. And this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. Okay. Oh yeah. We need more space for that. We need more spaces for that, definitely, sir. I think I don't need to hear it so loud. It's from B2, right? Adjusting the volume is not that easy. You shouldn't be that bird, sir. Oh shit. Can you see? Yeah, I think you can. I don't know, maybe I should put it somewhere here. I can, but it's not necessary for now. And it's like to the right, to the left, like wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. It's too loud for me. Okay. Def filter list. And this particular list. I can make it go. I can make it like an L actually. Don't worry. Listo. I can call it a listo, sir. Why don't I like listo? Value is not used. It's not used yet, sir. Now we can try to use it. Like, oh, character. Should be called character. Like one value. How can you call it? Like, can you call it character? Symbol. One symbol. But it could be the string and it's not the symbol. How should I call it? Oh, for element. Okay, I can call it element. I like the way you say element. For element in listo. If elements not integer. Not maybe type int, something like that. No. How do you say it? Like type attribute in Python. Dir, right? Type gets the type of an object. If element it just gives gets the type of an object. Then maybe we should dir int. To make check for int in Python. I think it should be something like with the type. Type is instance. Is instance. Really? If element is instance int? is instance. No. Building function. Maybe I should say it like for type int. Type int, sir. Oh, it says if element if not type not is not working. Is working. Wow. But is this it is almost certainly not. Is instance. Do not use type. It is almost never the right answer in the Python, since it blocks all the flexibility of polymorphism. For instance, if you subclass integer, your new class should register as an integer, which type will not do. This adheres to Python's strong polymorphism. You should allow any object that behaves like an integer instead of mandating that it be 1. Okay, so I should use the isInstance. Why it's not working with not? I forget. He's not. When you forget something, it's like, select item. Select elements. He's checking. He's deleting. Okay, he can do the remove actually. Like lists matters. Lists matters. The count extends. Append clear. Copy count extend. Remove. Removes the first item with the specified value. Okay. 10. I think it should be like return crystal. Okay. We filter it. Filter it one. Filter it list with non filtered list, for example. And I didn't make it right. What you mean? Expected two black. Okay, fine with it. Unresolved reference for filtered list. What you mean unresolved? Wait. Sir. How to make an example of function in Python. Def. No, that's not it. No. My phone. It should be like filtered list non-filters list. I forget how to make to run my function. I know. I didn't get why it says it. Really, it makes me like Yeah, it should be like that. That's now I found it. Ooh. As I can remember it, it was with fancy fruit cake. You know, like not with the fruits, with berries. It was like with the raspberry but it was from the shop, from the grocery store. Like it was filled with them. It's like the base is filled with that kind of for me. No. Dove. Oh. Okay. It's hard to explain. So I think it was good, but there was not enough. I think not enough alcohol for me, because like in the day that I had to celebrate my birthday, like in the night, or like in the ending of this day, I should have go to the airport and travel to St. Petersburg. So for the weekend, I was with my friends in St. Petersburg, and that was awesome. If you ever gonna meet Russia, just don't hesitate, go to the St. Petersburg. Don't stay in Moscow, it's like boring and filled and crowded with the people so much, but try to go to the St. Petersburg. It's almost perfect place for the excursions, just spending some time like for 3 or 2 days, it's just perfect. I wouldn't say it's like a lot of fun. From time to time, you need to spend the time with the friends, or with your like girlfriend, or with your boyfriend. Like depends on what you prefer. Like the social interaction is always good, even in the real life, not like from the distance. It's always good. But I don't know. I just want to play the table tennis. You know, I'm fond of table tennis. Like I like it so much from my like deep childhood. And for now, in Russia, we have like everything is closed. And that's a problem. I want to find someone like play with, but we don't even have the place to play the table tennis. That's a problem. Okay. Yeah. Print. Testing list. Testing list. Testing. And I'm always like asking the other people, how do you prefer to spend your birthday? Like for the New Year celebration or the Christmas, people are making always something like something like, I don't know, Georges, or how to say it more properly. Grandiosely. Can you say it? I don't know. But for the birthdays, like sometimes people releasing some of their ideas or the thoughts or just the predictions for what they want to do, but like some people just ignoring the holiday itself. Like, you have a birthday, it's fine, just a regular day. That's why I'm asking, how do you prefer to celebrate it? Grandiosely. Grandiosely?
Grandiosely.
Grandiosely. Hello there. I think like it's more than a month ago. I think it is. I slowly proceed to the course. Oh, thank you for the follow. I slowly proceeded and succeeded on my first course. It was a free one on the basics of Python, and now I just joined the Code Wars community and trying to solve the puzzles here. Puzzles and riddles, it's always good. Oh, if you started a day ago, it's gonna be a long journey for you. Believe me, bro. Okay. Like riddles, I don't know. Can you call these tasks like puzzles for you? Like, I mean, like the thing you need to solve in some kind of a way, and it should be the obvious way, right? Actually, I don't like the puzzles. Like, I can make like this, like when you put anything in a right place for make a whole picture. Like, maybe for the 500 pieces it's okay, but if it's more, it becomes annoying. Really annoying. No, it's not working. It's not checking. I got it, because I don't know. Can I make like check for this one? No, it's not. If element is not integer, it's not checking like that. Okay. Elements. If element. Man, it's such a freaking easy task. Don't even try. Yep, I need to remove everything except the integers. And it should be easy. Question is like, it should be checking. is a recipe for disaster. I think that was like a I don't know how to call it, like properly, like the review of my code. It's like, man, you're making it terrible. Don't ever try to make it like that. Thank you. Like any evaluation of the process that you are working on is always good. Like either it's negative or either it's positive, doesn't matter. The reply is always good. But maybe you're right. I can try to make the appending thing actually. Okay. If you say it's terrible, I can believe you in that. Then let's make Python always methods. Like I can make the append for the other one, right? I can. F element is, I don't know, he should work for the checking for that. Append element. Okay. Return. Oh, yeah. I think you should make the empty one. Filter at list. No. Filter at list. The empty one. Filter red. Typo in word listo. Oh, what do you mean typo, sir? What is the element thingy for? It's like for the, how it says, for the iteration, it's checking the every element of your list. Like for the first iteration, it's like this one. For the second one, it's this one, and etc. So I don't know, I should call it like character or the element of list. I can call it an element of list, I don't know. Like a single element of the list. I don't know how I call it in another way. Oh. Oh, shit. Please work for me. Oh, that's the right syntaxes for that. Now, do you like it more now? I mean, I'm just appending for the new list and not removing from proper one. I didn't know how to make the perfect indexes for the check like the is instance. Much better. Thank you. I'm feeling so proud. But I mean, from time to time, you can use the delete. It's a built-in function. Delete in Python. What are these calls? It's in syntaxes. Simple statement. operands, simple instructions, simple statements like built-in function. It's only a problem to change the collection when you are inside a for x in collection loop. Difference between del, remove, and pop on lists. Let's see for that. The effect of 3 different methods to remove an element from a list. Remove removes the first matching value. Yeah, it removes the first matching. Delete removes the item at a specific index. So if I want to use the delete, I need to specify the index for this element of the list. And pop removes the item at a specific index and returns it. Their error modes are different too. Use delete to remove an element by index. Pop to remove it by index if you need the returned value, and remove to delete an element by value. Okay, you were right. That's not the proper usage for the delete function. It's usually using if you want to delete by index. Okay. Okay. Tuck. Return here. I need to empty glue one. This one is closed. Okay. Return new list with strings filtered out. It's like filled with the tabs. Oh, come on. You are so precise, man. You're right. I didn't adopt it for this one. I'm so bad. You may take your time to refactor, comment your solution, submit when ready. You know what's the funny thing? In Russian language, they don't translate the refactor word. They like just using it like the Russian adaptation, refactoring. Like, we can translate this word. It could be translated, but we're just using the pronunciation of English word for that. That's all. That makes me sad. Okay. You know, it's like the example for how most people say in the television and the German people say in the television. Like, for example, like television. It's like the simple root for that. Like the same, like not the same, like how to say it? It's similar. Like for, I don't know, for Italian, for Spanish, televisión. Okay. Like for the Portugal, televisión, right? For the French one, televisión. Like you always see the matches for the almost perfect match for that. But like, let's check it for the German language. Fernsehen. It doesn't look like a television. It's like, it's totally different. Like it's their adaptation of this word. It doesn't match to the original one. That's what I like about the English, the German language. They have the adaptation for the almost every word. They don't use the original one. Okay, that was like something like off topic. Off topic, grandiosely. Grandiosely. Pompezno. That's funny word. Okay. Submit your solution and view solutions. Okay. I like the solution. It's simple. It's simple and readable. If you know the is instance function. Submitting your final solution. You can vote on other code warrior solutions to help uncover the best ones. There are 2 choices for voting. Best practices of the solutions that you think are good combination of being maintainable and efficient. They may not be the fastest solution if the fastest solution involves overly optimizing the code in a way that becomes hard to read. Clever votes are for solutions that you feel like are notable in some way, but not something you would expect to see in production code. So the second one is for the smart asses. And the first one is just for the usability. Okay. Oh, congrats on completing your first Kata. Kata? Okay, Kata. Kata? I don't know. That's what I said, bro. Smart asses. They like, how to say it in one word, like for the English one. For the Russian one, I know the perfect match for this one. Like in Russia, we say "выебываешься" if you like too smart ass to like for this task was too easy for you and you like made it with something like unusual methods or functions or even imported something like stuff like that. But for the English one, okay, I don't want to look for that. Too smart for their own good. How can you be too smart for yourself? Okay, Solutions. Each time you complete a kata, you will be shown the solution of other code warriors. This is a great way to pick up new tips and tricks. Next kata. You can move on to the next kata by clicking this button in the top right corner. Top right corner. I have found that one. It will randomly select a new kata for you based off of your selected language and training routine. Your active training routine is found on the dashboard page if you want to change it. Try again. Train again. If the kata is available in another language that you know or are interested in, try to complete it again in that language. Discourse. If you have something to say about the kata you just took, you can head over to the discourse section to chat about it. You can even chat about it? Okay. I'm satisfied with this one. Best practices. Look at that. Someone is checking it for the type. Someone is checking it for the is instance. Someone is using the lambda functions. But I think it's all the same with type picks. Oh, not good bad. That's the weird thing, like the music plays much more in the left headset compared to the right headset. Yeah, it is. I like this one. How can I watch that? Please. I pressed the button. It's readable. I like this one. This one is a smart ass, like with lambda function. We can write this one. Okay. Q. Next kata. Simple fun. Beatrix Trotter. If you can sleep, just count sheep. Next kata, counting sheep. Consider an array list of sheep where some sheep may be missing from the place. We need a function that counts the number of sheep present in the array. Don't forget to check for bad values like null, undefined. How can I check for the null and undefined? Let's try to train for that. May the force be with you. Always. white space before. You're right. But it's like looking more good, I think. The previous version. Don't worry. Pass. Don't forget to check for bad values like null undefined. Hello there. Thanks for the value. Welcome to the newbie Python stream. I don't know, like I can make it the most obvious way actually. But I don't like this one. Expression can be simplified. Can it? Yes, it is, can. Now. +1. But it's not checking for the null or undefined. What I'm trying to do here, we need a function that counts the number of sheep present in the array. True means present. I think it's a simple function. I don't know. It looks for me too easy. That should work if you say so. But I mean, in the description of this task, these booleans are ships, right? I think my tabulation is not working. ship and ship. Okay. You're right. It was Boolean. You can simplify this code. Return array of ships count true. Oh, you clever bastard. He thought about it in the other way. Oh shit, I made the same. Okay. It's better. Oh, fix Q test. Oh boy. That could be dangerous for me. Bob is preparing to pass IQ test. The most frequent task in this test is to find out which one of the given numbers differs from the others. Bob observed that one number usually differs from the others in evenness. What is evenness? Okay. Help Bob to check his answers. He needs a program that among the given numbers find one that is different in evenness and return a position of this number. Keep in mind that your task is to help Bob solve a real IQ test, which means indexes of the elements start from 1, not 0. You know what? Where is my chat? Wait. Not the chat box. Okay. And put here. axis of the element starts from 1, not 0. But why is the example you give me the string of numbers? I don't get it. Kata discourse. Welcome to the Kata discourse. Do you think so? So I have to make an input for that. I'm learning JavaScript and I want to try what I learned so far, but I got stuck on the first kata IQ test. I can't get the count to start from 1 instead of 0. What you mean? What could be the joke? Like the your sentence or his one? Okay. Yeah, the comment about not being able to add one, I agree with you. Like, you just can, I don't know, add in the end just +1 to your result. That's all. Like, I agree about that's a freaking trolling. Trolling itself. In the programmers community, trolling itself. That's just unacceptable. The thing is, like, all these tasks are about the functions. I don't like functions itself. I just don't know what result I should give you. Like, only the position of that? Oh, this whole sentence for that? Yeah, these situations are pretty unrealistic, I agree with you, but using your imagination for the tasks, I mean, we are not the writers, we are not like the scenario, we're not writing the scenario or something like that. Wait, I'm almost forgetting about the split system. Not with the file. Mm-hmm. If they give you this string, you just need to convert it to the integer. That's all. Sets. Can you use a set? No, you can't use a set. Can you? No, it's not usable here. No, you doesn't like it. No, you can't convert it to integer. Oh. No, you can't convert it into integer. You smartass. No, you can't convert them. It's making list of them. Okay. I can convert them to integer. You can convert them to integer if you make it like for the h. For the h element. Give me the list for each element, please. I should try to do it with normal loop. I can feel it. It could be filled with normal loop. I just can't remember it was. Modify something like that. Wait. No. Really? Huh. Yeah. First I is the expression it returns for each element. But then the second I is the element from the initial input. Like the first I is the result that you get, and the second I is the second I declares it as the loop parameter. just like in normal for I in collection. Then I got it why you can't apply the int for it. Yes, I don't know. Like the regular for configuration is like perfectly readable, but this one, we need to remember that. Like I can remember from the first practice, like you can use like maybe this, like like the in the lambda function. Wait. Okay. No, it's not working. Can plus sequence by non-int of type string. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. I can remember something with the lambda functions about that. Okay. Do I? But I can't use the I itself, but I can use the integers outside of this. Like for example this. Okay. I get it a little bit. Okay. I think even this is like the checking for how to say it in English? Odd or non-odd number. I don't know how to say it. Not odd. It seems like it's even. Like odd is having one left over as a remainder when divided by 2. So like even is the opposite one. Yeah, I can check for that. But the thing is, you just you could also check with what is this? I don't even know how to pronounce this symbol before 1. Yeah, I know, like what remains from the division by 2 is always like the checking for the odd statement, but bitwise. I think it is like each bit. Oh man, here. What? Bitwise. Wow, Dra. Holy moly! What is this freaking? Okay. I like never met them in the actual solutions, but they exist. Okay. But they do existing, sir. And is a program that among the given numbers finds one that is different in evenness and return a position of this number. What do I do? What do I need? I need to check the whole list. But what if it is at the first position, like at 0 index? I need to check the first changing of the odd or even. I know that. But the problem is if it is in the early beginning, like the first one. Well, it's like it's the only exception for that actually. You're just in position for that, that's all. But if it's even in the beginning, it says 1. Differs from the others. instrument check. Hmm. dun, dun, dun. Not bad. Okay, let's make a counter. Thank you for the follow. Oh, read these fancy nicknames is always a challenge for me. Rush Read Nair 20. Like that. What if it's gonna be indexed out of range? It could be. It could be indexed out of range. I don't like this one. Could go beyond the list. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. What you mean unexpected indent? Ah. Yeah, you're right. He's right. What am I counting? I'm counting the indexes of that. Like, I'm trying to make the check between this element and the next element. And if the oddness of the next element or evenness of the next element is not corresponding the oddness or the evenness of the previous element, the while iteration is breaking. That was the basic idea for that in my head. Why index with the counter? Because I thought like because I'm making the for loop for the number, but not for the like the interaction. I don't know, for the len function, for the loop or something like that. I can't, it's like concatenate it with anything else, but just with the counter. But I mean, where I can get the current index of that? I heard of it, actually. I heard of it. I think it's like more beautiful to use this loop with the enumerate function instead of a simple counter. Do you think so? It's like, yeah, it lets you move. Yes, you're right. It gives me the index for each item. You're right. You get that right. You're right, that's more beautiful than ugly. I agree with you. I didn't like shadow built-in name. ID is ID. Nothing wrong with that. I hope it's not gonna be the infinite loop. I'm just always hoping for that. Which means it can be undefined. It's defined, sir. I mean, yeah, it can. No, it should be defined, actually. Okay. Let's make this ugly bastard working. No. Yes. It's index out of range. Yes. That what I was expecting, actually. Because if it's in the end, but actually it should be giving me the other answer. But yes, it's out of range. That's why I didn't want to use the enumerate. Okay, because this one gives me the non-existent index on the whole list. I think it was ready for that. Does comparing two elements in the list give you enough information to decide which is the match? Does comparing two elements in the list give you enough information to decide which is the match? According to this, yes, because I just need to meet the first changing of the oddness or evenness. Like the first time it's gonna be changed, that's all. That's like the place where you're gonna have the but it doesn't tell you which of the two. Ah, it could be the first one or it could be the second one. That's true. You're right. No. Wait a second. That's why I'm checking like this oddness from the first one. Like, for example, first one is gonna be the I don't know, it calls even number. Should be even number, okay. Even number. And he's checking if the that it could be like even, odd, and then it could be even. Then the answer should be the even, but I'm gonna give him the odd. Shit, you're right. You want the song request? Let me check it. No, it is even doesn't have a clip for that. But okay. I think it's gonna be loaded soon. Yeah, goddamn right. First thing, I have index out of range. The second thing, I'm not checking which one, the first one or the second one. Actually, it should break from the loop before that. In my mind, it should. But In this one, it isn't. I just get this feeling that I need to make a bubble sort for that. It's not the bubble sort, it's just the bubble checking. I just wanted that one. Maybe I need to change the whole system for that. That is gonna be ugly. It's gonna be so ugly. It might be simpler than you're thinking if you don't care about looping through the collection twice. Could be simpler, you're right. I got a little bit ugly. Like a control idea, just not the way you were using the counter. Let's make it from the other way. No worry. Give me that information from my brain, sir. I don't know. This YouTube video isn't working. No regrets for that. I don't know why. Wait, it's not working. It could be just in the end. Yeah, it could be just in the end. No. This counter is not gonna work. Oh, I missed so much. And that we finished. What would that count have told you? Try like my first version of that. It's not about the indexes. You're right, if count goes to more than 1, then the result should be the odd number. else. Result should be the even number. I get that logic. It goes for the even numbers. Those. It's like checking the even numbers, like checking the whole even numbers. If the whole even numbers is more than 1, it goes for the odd numbers, right? Right. Knowing if you found an even number isn't yet enough information to choose a match in this loop. missing the whole concept from that. It's not about this one. trying to code a solution for this task. Like I need to find number of a list, like the list number, like to find out which one of the given numbers differs from the others. It should be like the one should be the odd, or the one should be the even, and like the others should be the even, or the others should be the odds. That's all actually. That's not. It's not a hard task for me. But this code is ugly. this one is ugly. I just can't just describe that ugliness of this code. These are the only test cases. I didn't get the question. You're right. I already have things for that. I hope it's not gonna go to the infinite loop. I hate the while function for that. Because when it goes to the infinite loop, it's like hitting my PC in a matter of time to enormous temperature. What is the purpose of the while loop? Actually, it has no purpose in this case. Huh. You're right. Wait a second, it's not working. It's not working, actually. I get it. Should represent that we have the answer is the odd number or the answer is the even number. So the flag for the check evenness is made for that, but the counter, it's not working that as I intended. Why the increment? Why the increment? If increments in both ways. It increments in both ways, yeah. Yeah, it shouldn't be like that. And in both situations, it increments, it shouldn't be like that. It should be either increments or nothing, yeah. I got you. I get you. Now I get your statement. counter just doesn't work as I want it to be working. Like it's just yeah, it's just first one is even. Second one even doesn't count. I can make two separate counters, but this can be so ugly. No, it should be the other way. Seriously. Just should be the other way. That's all. It's so ugly. Yeah. But it's just so ugly, man. I don't know. I got the feeling that it should be the other idea for that. No, it's still not working. It's so ugly. Eight counts equals 2. What do you know to do? What do you know to do? You mean, what do I want to do? It breaks this cycle. That's it. And it gives me the flag for this one. Either it's even or odd. If there are two even numbers, I'm gonna need to search for the odd number. It only gives me like I need to search for the odd number or for the even number, that's all. The code is saying if there are two even numbers, tell the second loop to find an even number. I guess you do, bro. If we reach this one, we should search for the odd number. If we reach this one, we should search for the even number. I just need to swap them. I got you. Thank you. This function is ugly. It is so ugly. Yeah, I know. Our goal is to achieve the right answer, the right solution, but you know the Zen of Python. Beautiful is better than ugly. And I count this one as an ugly, that's for sure. Why copy paste it so bad? Question is, should I return? I think it shouldn't be the shouldn't be numbers. It shouldn't be the input. It should be the numbers, right? I think it's right. Man, and I have solved this like for 1.5 hour. Wow. I'm really so bad. Split calculators. I should split them. Oh shit. Man, 2 hours. But I don't know this Q, like what it equals to, but man, 2 hours for that. Difficult very wildly. I mean, like someone should like rank this difficulties, you know. But like at the first sight, it was much more easier to solve this problem. Like I was thinking, like you just need to make a check, like. But you gave me the idea that you just need two loops. That worked much easier because my first idea just got damaged. It broke on these hills. It should be a pain actually. Comparing to numbers. That could be the option. You're right. Can I ask you, like, what's your level in this? Like, you're in the mid-level or in the senior level of the fighting? Holy fucking shit! Really, you could solve that in 3 lines. Oh, fucking shit. Oh. But you know, like, another programming language, right? I mean, like, the syntax should be a little bit different, but the core ideas, they're all the same and working for this, for the every language, you know. You know, lots of other languages. Okay. The language is the least important part of programming. Maybe you're right. I'll still get very opinionated about it. They feel very strongly that their favorite language is the best. I mean, how can you say that the language can be the best one? Like, I mean, it should be suitable for some kind of conditions that you're gonna be using it in. Like, I mean, you can say like the French language is the best one, or the English language is the best one, or the Chinese language is the best one. I mean, like, just something can be useful here, something can be useful in this field, something can be useful in this one. I didn't see people like like I never defended like the English one. Like I can like say that it's one of the easiest languages to learn if you were born in some kind, if some places like in Europe or in the USA or something like that. But if your nature language is one of the Asian ones or the from the Middle East, it shouldn't be easy for you in these cases. I mean, bending one language and saying that it's the best is just not to the not appropriate way to describe a language as itself. Everything could have like its own strong parts and weaknesses. Neither it's programming language or just a real one. Okay. Oh. Free string, 3 lines of the code. The logic will be the same. That's the thing about the Python for me. Like I have seen a lot of statements that this is the perfect language, programming language. I mean, that you can learn as a first one, because code is beautiful, the syntax is not that complicated, and you don't need to think about it so much. But I think I agree with you. 6Q, Q upgrade. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's almost 2:30 a.m. here. Wow. I have to wake up for the work in 3 hours. Oh man. I know, like programming always, when you involves in it, like it just eats your time in enormous speed. An enormous rate, I don't know. Like I think like it just was 11 p.m. but now it's like 2:30 a.m. man. Wow. That was just one task, and that was it wasn't the hardest one. No worry. I don't need to have a lot of concentration on my main working place. I know everything there. I'm just making everything on the automated way. But in this field, I'm training my brain. That's what I like about it. With help of chat and of the intelligent people of the chat. That's what I like. Okay. I think that's enough for today. Thanks for the watching. Thanks for the help. I wouldn't do it like in this time without your help. I think I would have spent much more time for that. But now, with this dot in my solutions of and stuff like that, I think I gotta go to sleep. Hope to see you later. Have a good